Example 1. Rewrite the following angles using the reference angles in quadrant 1. First one is sine of 150. First thing I want you to do is to draw a quick sketch of the unit circle and then work out where sine of 150 is. Remember, this was 0, this is 90, this is 180. So 150 is going to be somewhere in here. As long as it's inside that second quadrant, I don't mind where you draw it. Second thing, once you've got your quick sketch, is put in your letters that tell us which ones are positives and which ones are negative. So it's always going to be an A and an S. Those are my initials, so you could remember it that way. Going this way, remember. So this is 150 all the way over here. So to find our little reference angle in there, we need to do sine 150 will equal sine of 180 minus 150. So this whole bit minus the 150, which equals sine of 30 degrees. And this is where I want you to stop. This is our reference angle in quadrant 1 that we would use. Last thing to check, is sine positive in this second quadrant? As we're dealing with sine. Yes, it is, because of the S, so we can leave it like that. If it was not positive, we'd have to put a negative on the front there. Second example, negative cos of 135 degrees. All of these are degrees. Sorry, I couldn't type them in properly. First thing, sketch of your unit circle. 135 is over here. Don't worry about the negative yet. Put in your A and your S. Label your 0, 90 if you need to, and 180. Negative cos of 135 equals negative cos of 180 minus 135, which equals, now, negative cos of 45 degrees. Last thing, check if cos is positive in this quadrant. Because we've got the S there, the S means sine is positive, cos is not, cos is negative. So we need to make this an extra negative. If there was no negative there, you'd put it in front. There is already a negative there, so negative negative turns into a positive. So negative cos 35, the reference angle, is just cos of 45. This one's the reference angle in quadrant 1. If you'd like to pause and have a go at the next few, you can do that now. Cos of 171 will equal cos, in the second quadrant, cos is negative, so it'll be negative cos 180 minus 171, negative cos of 9 degrees. Negative cos of 102 cos is negative here, so I need a double negative. 180 minus 102 turns into a positive, 78 degrees. Tan of 110. Tan will be negative in the second quadrant. Forgot my tan. Negative tan 180 minus 110. Negative tan 70 degrees. And sine of 125. Sine is positive. So we just keep it. We don't need to put a negative out the front. 180 minus 125 equals sine of 55 degrees. Thanks for watching the video today.